answer that with categorical yes. I've informed the president of my intention, but I've not informed the Nigerians yet. I'm still consulting, and I have no problem consulting, and I've not set a parameter of limitation to the extent of how many people will I consult. You will soon hear, all you want to hear is a categorical declaration. You've gotten that truth from me that I've informed the Mr. President of my ambition.
Oga Tinubu.
And you don't expect more answers than that.
You see, this news what they see concerning Oga Tinubu, saying in one run that he have informed the president that he want to run. You know, I just posted it, but I go to sleep. You know. These people like Tinubu, this elite, what did they really, you know, take Nigerians for? Because to me, Nigerians are, let me make I yarn well. Make I put this phone from make I yarn, you know. You see, Nigerians are tired of this elite. Nigerians are tired. Nigerians are tired. Tinubu, look, Nigerians are tired of people of your generation. You repackage Buhari. Buhari almost completely destroyed the little value that remained for us. Buhari 6 years in power. He have destroyed that country completely. You are one of those that repackage Buhari. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Now you want to be the president? You want to be the president? Look, I just post this video. I said, no. I have to come back, you know, and say something. We need a competent, you know, youth, person of at least 40 years. 40 years. We are done. Enough of this. Next year, but Tinubu will be 71. What are you coming to do? You look sick. Tinubu looks sick. What are you coming to do? What are you coming to do? People like Tinubu, you have, you know, accumulate enough wealth and power to keep Nigerian youth in bondage. If not, you should be ashamed of yourself. The man you call a saint, the man you said that is going to solve Nigerian problem, destroy Nigeria the more. And you are telling us you want to be president. I know the country belongs to you elite, but not forever. But not forever. I saw the news, and, you know, I just said, okay, let me just kind of mind my business. Give up on Nigeria. I wonder what you, Tinubu, what you are going to tell Nigeria. What are you going to tell Nigerians? That you will start your presidential campaign. Your presidential campaign will be on, you know, telling Nigeria that you will consolidate on Buhari achievement or what? When it is clear Buhari regime have taken Nigeria 100 years backward, 100 years backward. Or you be telling Nigeria that you are coming to fix Nigeria? You want to fix Nigeria? I don't understand. What are you going to tell Nigeria? That you are coming to fix Nigeria? When actually, you are the one who brought Buhari to power. You brought this driver, Buhari. You brought him to power. He's the one that crashed the car. And you are in the front seat when Buhari crashed the car. Now you want to tell us okay, we should give you the car. It's like remove Buhari and give you the car. What do you take Nigerians for? What do you take Nigerians for? Look at you. You will be 70, 71, I'll be 72 next year. The same. Buhari is 80 years this year. Buhari will be 81 next year. And we'll be voting for another 70 years old man again. You don't respect Nigerians. You don't really respect Nigerian youth. You don't respect Nigerian youth. It is very clear you are sick. You have a challenge. Go and face your go. You should go and resign and rest. Go home. Once beaten, once they said once beaten, twice shy. We want fresh ideas. A president that can accelerate our economy. Young president that have vision, that have plans, smart, young blood. Not all these old cargoes talking on. You'll be 72. You are still saying you want to come out. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself, Tinubu. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. We want fresh idea in the system. You were once a senator, a governor. Your wife is a senator of the Ninth Assembly. And this year will make it 13 years in the National Assembly. Must it be you, Tinubu? Must it be you? Nigeria belongs to all of us. Now it's now your personal property. We don't want any old fools who is older than Nigeria. Now, we don't need all you people. It is time for people to resign. Hand over that country to the youth. And Tinubu, you were in your 30s when you became the governor. You were in your early 30s when you became the governor. It is time to hand over that country to the youth and stop fooling yourself. You're supposed to be in jail. If Nigeria is a working country, you're supposed to be in jail. As a shifting of APC, what have you contributed for these 6 years of Buhari? Tell me one thing Tinubu have contributed. Tell me your contribution. The present government, you saw the present government, the Buhari, you repackage Buhari in Mr. Integrity. All these while in power. What have you done? What have you done? What advice? Price of things skyrocketing. Man, you can't buy anything again in the market. Nobody is safe. Everyday killings. They just kill over 100 people in Zamfara. And so you have not in any way come out and condemn and criticize the person you impose on Nigeria. You never for once give an advice that will at least talk to the president in making policy that will reduce poverty, that will affect the people positively. You kept quiet, but you can come out and be talking nonsense. Yet you have to tell Buhari first before you tell the people you want to run for president. My God, it pains my heart the way these people, they just take us for a fool. They take us for a fool. Look at the country. Buhari messed up everything. He destroyed everything. Instead of you to be criticizing Buhari, you are here telling us you want to run. Thank you and God bless.